Hello everyone, how to with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off autoplay option in YouTube application. So you can see I'm using a smartphone, so you need to tap on your YouTube apps. I'm going to tap, or I'm going to open my YouTube application, and after that you can see it's just loading. So it's the YouTube interface. So what you need to do, you need to tap on your icon. It's called EO, bottom right corner on your screen. Simply tap on that. Once you tap on that, then you can see it's your YouTube profile page. So you need to tap on the settings icon. You can see top right corner on your screen. Simply tap on that. Once you tap on that, here you can see autoplay. Simply tap on autoplay. So it's turning it on now, so simply tap on that, and now it's turning it off. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. So today is no more, and thank you for watching.